guys, this afternoon I'm going to attempt something here. I am going to get my lunch delivered to my truck. I'm currently parked up in the side road. I'm too long to go into the town centre because I have a trailer on the back. And I fancy some chicken nuggets, or maybe a burger and a drink. So let's do this. Let's see what we fancy. Oh, a salad? No thank you. I need a drink. I've already got a bacon double cheeseburger in there. Where are we? Drink. Fanta orange. Medium. Add to order. Yeah. It's a bloody nuggets. Nuggets. Cheeseburgers. Salad. What? A cucumber bag? Who wants a cucumber bag? Bloody vegans. Aha, nuggets. 9 nuggets. Barbecue. Yep. Oh, 2 dips. Barbecue again. Yes. There we go. There's my order. View order. Yep. Delivery detail. So this is the road that I'm on at the minute, just outside of Woking. Payment, PayPal, yes. Place order. Oh, did I add notes? Ah. Oh yes, there we go, look, it's remembered. Black Isuzu 4x4 parked on the right hand side. Yes! Comparing. Has it been accepted? I think it's been accepted, so we will see what happens. There we go, Mustafa is picking up your order. As you can see, he's on his bike. I'll be back with an update shortly. There we go, Mustafa is on his way to me. He's going to be 3 minutes. Sweet. Minute, around that corner, we should see Mustafa either on his bike or on his moped. He's going to creep up behind me. So let's see. I think he's going to come out through these woods. It's going to be a bit scary. Hello, sir. Your nuggets. Oh my God, he's almost here. He's going to come out from the side road behind me. Let's see if he springs out. He's behind me. There he is, sir. Bosh. McDonald's has arrived. And there goes Sergio. Off into the future. Next order, my friend.